Your car throws a warning light, the engine stumbles between gears, or it idles so roughly you think it's on its last breath. You take it to the shop, and the service advisor quotes you hundreds, maybe even thousands of dollars just to diagnose the problem. But here is the kicker. In a staggering 95% of these cases, nothing is actually broken. Modern cars are essentially rolling supercomputers, and just like your smartphone or your laptop, these systems can get confused. They get bogged down by bad data, temporary sensor glitches, or power surges. They aren't asking for a new part, they are begging for a reset. In today's video, I am pulling back the curtain on 11 powerful reset tricks you can perform right in your driveway, completely for free. These are the secret sequences and handshakes that veteran mechanics use to clear codes and restore performance in minutes. If you've ever felt like your car was working against you, this is the guide you've been waiting for. And make sure you stick around for the #1 reset at the end. It's the ultimate secret for when your car refuses to even start. Let's dive in and save your wallet from the dealership.
Reset number 11, Throttle Position Sensor, TPS Reset. If acceleration feels delayed, inconsistent, or jerky, the throttle position sensor may have lost its reference point. When this happens, the ECU can't accurately understand how far you're pressing the pedal, making the car feel sluggish or twitchy. The step-by-step reset. Turn the key to on, engine off. Slowly press the accelerator all the way down. Hold for 5 seconds, then slowly release. Turn key off and wait 10 seconds. Start the car and let it idle for 2 to 3 minutes. Reset number 10, Mass Airflow Sensor, Relearning. When the engine hesitates, idles rough, or loses fuel efficiency, the mass airflow sensor is often sending incorrect airflow data. Dirty or outdated readings confuse the ECU's fuel calculations. The step-by-step reset. Disconnect the negative battery cable for 15 minutes. Remove the MAF sensor and spray it with MAF cleaner. Let it dry completely and reinstall. Reconnect the battery and idle for 5 minutes. Reset number 8, ABS Light Reset. The ABS system is extremely sensitive, and even a brief voltage drop or sensor glitch can trigger a warning light that refuses to turn off. The step-by-step reset. Turn the ignition completely off. Remove the ABS fuse for 15 minutes. Reinstall the fuse. Drive slowly under 20 miles per hour for a few minutes. Reset number 8, ECU Hard Reset, Ultimate Reboot. When a car enters limp mode or shows multiple warning lights, the ECU may be operating on corrupted or conflicting data stored from past glitches. The step-by-step reset. Disconnect both battery cables. Touch the cable ends together for 30 seconds. Reconnect the cables. Turn key to on, then start the car. Let the engine idle for 10 minutes.
Reset number 7, Adaptive Transmission Memory Reset. Modern transmissions adapt to how you drive, but changing habits or traffic conditions can confuse the system and cause harsh or delayed shifts. The step-by-step reset. Turn key to on, engine off. Press and hold the brake pedal. Shift park to reverse to neutral to drive. Hold in drive for 30 seconds. Shift back to park, start the engine, drive gently for 10 minutes. Reset number 6, Idle Air Control Calibration. If the engine vibrates at idle or stalls when the AC is turned on, the ECU may have lost its ability to balance engine load at low RPM. The step-by-step reset. Start the car with all accessories off, let it idle for 5 minutes, turn AC, max, and headlights on. Idle another 5 minutes, turn everything off, and drive for 5 minutes. Reset number 5, Airbag SRS Light Reset. Even a temporary seat or sensor disconnection can lock the SRS light on, making it seem like a serious airbag failure when it's not. The step-by-step reset. Turn the key to on. As soon as the airbag light turns off, switch to off. Wait 3 seconds. Repeat this cycle 4 times. On the 5th time, start the engine.
Reset number 4. Fuel trim reset. Restore MPG. Poor fuel mileage often comes from long-term fuel corrections that no longer match the engine's current condition. The step-by-step reset? Disconnect the negative battery cable for 30 minutes. Reconnect and start the engine. Drive 10 minutes at a steady 50 mph. Follow with normal stop-and-go driving. Reset number 3. Electric power steering, EPS, recentering. After a dead battery or jump start, the EPS system can lose its electronic center point, making the steering feel unusually heavy or uneven. The step-by-step reset? With engine running, turn steering fully left and hold for 5 seconds. Turn fully right and hold for 5 seconds. Return to center and turn engine off. Restart the car. Reset number 2. Battery management system reset. Without resetting the BMS, the car still believes the old battery is installed and continues using the wrong charging strategy. The step-by-step reset? Turn ignition on, engine off, press and hold the brake pedal. Pump the accelerator 5 to 10 times. Battery icon flashes 3 times. Restart the car. Reset number 1. Immobilizer handshake, the anti-theft fix. When the security light flashes and the car won't start, the immobilizer has lost synchronization with the key and temporarily locked the engine. The step-by-step reset? Insert key and turn to on. Leave it on for 10 minutes and 30 seconds. Turn key off for 10 seconds. Repeat the cycle 3 times total. On the final attempt, start the engine. There you have it. 11 ways to fix your car for absolutely $0. Most of the time, your car isn't broken. It's just waiting for you to speak its language. By using these resets, you are taking the power back from the dealerships and the high-priced shops. If even one of these tips saved you a trip to the mechanic today, do me a huge favor. Smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. We are on a mission to keep your car running smoother and longer without breaking the bank. Don't forget to drop a comment below and let me know which reset worked for your car. And if you want to take your car maintenance to the next level, click the video on your screen right now to see the 5 maintenance habits that are secretly killing your engine. Drive safe, stay smart, and I'll see you in the next one.